morning everyone. So I have a beauty event today and I was thinking why not I bring you guys along. It's going to be fun. Dia akan ada ramai entrepreneurs of the local brand. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will know. Diorang akan bagi talk about their products untuk kita lebih tahu apa yang ada dalam produk diorang, macam mana cara pembuatan dia, what is the best product for us, macam tu lah. I will bring you guys along, so we'll see how it goes. I'm not sure if I can actually vlog the whole thing, but I will try. See you there.
A lot of Sabahans don't know about it, and I think a lot of Sabahans should know about our homegrown brands, which is why we're having this event today.
Today I'll be sharing 5 makeup tips that I've gathered buat makeup selama 11 tahun ni. And one is about to look pretty and full and natural. So you use sabun. I use glycerin punya sabun. Yang normally yang macam transparent sedikit color. Okay. And then I just spray a bit of water inside. And then jangan takutkan kalau kamu google luka kena air kah, tidak ada bubble-bubble. Dan jaga hasil pedih mata juga. So I just use a spiral brush and then dip in my soap. And then what I do is I just brush on the eyebrow hair. Or if you have something like this, ini nama dia eyeshadow shield, and you can get this di Daiso. You want to get juga. So I just place the thing here. If you have a cut, you use your cut, and then you apply your mascara. Kami isi air panas, terus with supreme oil kami drop 3 kali. So, especially kalau kamu mau concentrate on hidung, boleh kasih tebal di bahagian hidung. Terus kalau kamu concentrate bahagian pores, kamu boleh kasih tebal di bahagian pores. Depending on kamu punya, kasih dia ada scrubbing effect. So, for problem areas would be low slash. Dan dulu simpan, bolehlah seperti
Video tau.
Okay, one last question please. Okay, kami ada 2 produk, satu lipping and cream dan satu lagi super drip connector. Okay, so the first one is about lip color look, iaitu warna bibir. Okay, normally semua orang ada jenis color lip. Okay, the first one is pale, pucat. The second one is the medium color. The third one is dark color, and the fourth one is the two-tone color. So sekarang ini saya pakai kontrol warna. I don't mean like, oh, I tried the product and it doesn't work on me. So just to illustrate my point, I'll just show you some pictures of myself. This is me, right? Yes. Base hydrating toner that is free from alcohol and fragrance, mineral oil. You can choose like either like those organic hydrosols, face base. But I would say after makeup, once you go through the makeup with the oil-based cleanser, all the place you will just remove everything. So this one you soak in hot water for 5 minutes. It will like activate the circle enough, and then it will soften this circle. Then you can, on a wet face, you can just massage, and it will actually lift off the dead skin cells.
Hi, mother. Video ni. Video.
Jadi?
Cakaplah, aku lang hai manja.
Hai. Dia mau tak ini?
Tidak, saat ini belum launch.
Oh.
Nah, orang yang tertentu je dapat. We're having tea right now.
Sekarang kita jemput kita punya
And into
makeup
the
artist
next.
dari LA.
So as you guys know, I am a makeup artist that not only works in the U.S., but I work all over the place. I was just in Vietnam, I worked in Moscow, I work in Singapore, Japan, just India, you name it, everywhere. But I also work a lot here. And I spend about half the year here in Sabah. Yeah, I hear a lot. But I don't dress like this. Normally I'm in shorts and I'm on the beach, so I only do this for you. So, are you guys familiar with Breeze magazine? It doesn't matter if you're a makeup artist or if you're somebody interested in makeup, or you're an auntie or a grandma. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna talk to you the same way. So, if you guys see me outside, don't be nervous to talk to me.
Dalam sekitar, kalau scrub pun microbeads yang plastik tu, kalau kita pergi sewage di laut, kalau ikan tu makan dia boleh mati. So kesian lah ikan-ikan itu. So itu kalau kamu mau try lah buat all skincare tu kamu sendiri, ada resipi dia, saya akan share lepas ni. Untuk jaga skin is very simple actually. Basic dia kita mesti maintain natural pH lah dalam 5.5 to 6. And then kita look out for ingredients yang high in antioxidants.
So jarang-jarang kita ada produk, and I think no product yet that tries to create this emotion. Okay, belum ada kan? Kenapa yang produk yang selalu kita ada terus merasa dia tersenyum-senyum, dia rasa sedap, macam mau makan. That's the main thing why I created this. Sebab waktu itu suara saya, the suara waktu kan hilang terus. Okay, so okay lah. Shock juga ada efek-efek. Okay.
Kegunaan sendiri. Why? Because number one, I like coffee, and then my wife had a great idea. She says you like coffee so much. Why don't you try putting it on your face? And then come at the time you are done, my face kan is a bit sensitive lah. Kalau pakai produk dari kedai, berjerau lah. We started to give it out for free to friends and relatives to try. So from there kan kami dapat yang great feedback. Okay apa ni? So time tu we just say okay, what the heck, let's just try, try to sell boleh lah lagi kan. Our local punya government agencies, there's actually a lot of governmental agencies like SME Bank, SME Corporation, Sabah Entrepreneur Association, Ministry of Industrial Development. A lot of these agencies, right, they provide grants or certain funding assistance to entrepreneurs.
So I am done with today's event, and this is the Muah Market, Muah Studio at Plaza 333 Penampang. You guys can come here. Banyak sangat barang. It's full house, but I got a few things I will show you later. I am finally back at home. I am super duper tired. I am exhausted, but I had fun. I enjoyed myself. It was a great event. Kudos to Muah Studio for organizing this. Basically, event tadi tu dia macam introduce kita ni kepada founder-founder yang join, yang jual barang diorang dalam Muah Market. So not only macam kita kenal siapa founder dia, but kita juga tahu barang apa yang diorang jual, apa yang diorang guna, source of ingredients, semua itulah. Barang-barang ni semua homegrown, semua daripada Sabah, and I am super proud sebab barang-barang kita ni, barang-barang orang Sabah ni boleh compete dengan brand-brand yang ada dekat luar sana. So yeah, for me I think kalau bukan kita yang support local brand, siapa lagi mau support? Kami dapat goodies from Mua. So dalam ni ada sponge, makeup sponge. Also I got this Mua brush guards which I need. Ada button badge which is so cute, and I dapat cash voucher for dia punya personal makeup class, 25 ringgit off. And then we have Lulur and Such, which I got this Supreme Solve. Okay, Lulur and Such belum launch benda ni, so it's I don't really know what is this, but I'm gonna see. I'm gonna read it later. Yang ni kamu boleh check dekat Instagram Lulur and Such. I will link everything below, so you guys boleh tengok, boleh check it out. Okay, next I have Zuko. This is from Zuko Cosmetics. Zuko Cosmetics ni rasanya semua orang sudah pernah dengar. Banyak orang sudah buat review pasal Zuko Cosmetics. So dia punya gift is lippy matte cream. So mine in the shade Amor, which I think is a pretty. Now I'm wearing Zuko, so I got another Zuko. It's purplish, pinkish, magenta kind of color. Okay, next I have Hollandaise Beauty. I dapat Hollandaise lens, the contact lens, and the lashes, falsies. I'm wearing Hollandaise lens right now. It's Calypso Violet. Next I have Frankie. Okay, so Frankie dia bagi 10 ringgit off untuk dia punya oil. So I bought a freaking Frankie punya product. I love Frankie punya product. I love dia punya founder. Okay, founder is so pretty. She is so pretty. So I bought 2. Oh, by the way, I dapat free gift juga lah daripada Frankie. Selain daripada 10 ringgit off, dapat this, dia punya face oil in small size. This is the Lullaby Night Face Oil. And also, I beli dia punya Luminate. This is I beli, okay? Just dapat discount 10 ringgit. This is the Frankie Luminate Day Face Oil. This is the face oil. And the iconic jet roller. Okay, this is to, you know, roll your face to make me look pretty. So yeah. Okay, and then we have Pop Arena. So dia punya gift adalah the black mask dengan dia punya sabun, which I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try everything. And then we have chocolate bar, and then chocolate bar dapat dia punya strawberry, sparkling strawberry mint sugar scrub. So I akan lagi halus mulus lepas ni sebab ada scrub. Last session kita ada the Borneo scrub tadi. So I got this and this. This is the coffee lip scrub. Ni dorang punya baru punya produk juga. So I dapat the coffee scrub. So I have 2 scrubs now, which lagi mulus, halus mulus lepas ni. And a mini lip balm. So this is a coffee lip balm. Smells so good. So I am so happy with all the things, with all the gifts. Thank you so much to the founders, to the organizer. Thank you so much, guys, for everything, for the gifts, for the talk. I had fun. I had so much fun. Like, I'm looking forward for this kind of event. And yeah, basically apa yang I mau sampaikan sini is kita kena support our homegrown product. If not us, siapa lagi yang mau support? Kita daripada Sabah, so kita kena support local brand juga. And bukan yang orang macam fikir local brand ni mesti yang barang dia macam not good, but I've tried. Okay, I've tried most of the things here. Okay, I've tried Zuko. Zuko is super good. I've tried Hollandaise. Hollandaise is great. So yeah, I'm very happy. So I think that's it for today, and I'm gonna see you guys again soon. I hope you guys enjoyed my first vlog. I know it's kinda you know, not interesting, not fun, but I've tried. So you guys can leave your comments down below, and if you wish to purchase any of these products I mentioned in this video, I'm gonna link everything in the description box down below. So I'll see you guys again very soon. Okay, bye.